adventure. Which we're going on here today. The adventure is we're going out kayaking, we're going to throw a line. Today's the wifey birthday, so you know, can she out the kayak. So yeah, she first time kayaking. We're going out there, we're gonna see what we get. Hopefully if we get something, we roast it. And yeah, we're just gonna enjoy the day outside here. So yeah, stay tuned guys. Alright, the shotgun as usual. Stay tuned. Check she out there. Come on. Just before we launch out. Huh? For what? Yeah. We're going out. Are we out here? We're going on. Troll while we moving. So yeah. So yeah, people, we actually doing all the work today. So if she birthday, she had to do all the work. Hey, watch, we're going so. So yeah, guys are there people. We're going on. Sell it out and see what we hold. Come here, run a little faster. Alright people, so let me see what we catch on this run. You're outside here, kayaking. Some wind kick up here, and we going out catch the wind. But we run there, and we have it outside. Today we go get strong. Yeah? Is that about today? Nothing so far. Yeah, how you feeling? You enjoying yourself? People. So we reached by the first spot here. And we go down sand shot. Let me see what you do there. Nice. So we go closer there and I go hold on. And we go fish, right? Watch your paddle there. Watch your order. Right, go ahead. Go ahead. Straight down? Right, go straight down and let me kill them redfish here. Wait! Pull in, boy. Right, people. How the vibes here so far? A bite? No bite yet. So yesterday people, when we get a bite, we come back to you guys. Brave, don't just stick. What? Bite on you. Bite on you. Hey! Redfish! Redfish! That's what we're talking about. Yeah, like going back, it's too small. Yeah, people. That's up. Hey, right there, safe relief. Go back again and catch the bigger one. The people we buy next spot here. Ship here. So, I'll let she fish for the hour. After I go fish. I go fish after. You ain't going on yet? With the jail. The people thank God the water come. Else it would not be so easy. She going down. That's now I go through some loop. And see if he settings with that. Get up by there. Right. Stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna see how I can tie up a rope here to we raft so I can get the fish too. Right? Stay tuned, guys. I'm trying to tie something here. No, you did. Nice, nice. Second fish on here. Nice it. You know, she's crying whole weekend. I wanna catch a fish. The 2 fish I catch so far, more to come. Let's see. Be careful. There's 3 fish there. Nice. Yeah. Give them fires. Let me tie this here so I can get the fish on. Fish on. Really? Rough. Okay, wait. She got a nice bite there, then, Gary. People, I tried my rod here. She had 2 fish on top of me. 2 fish, huh? Yeah. 2 fish on top of me. So, and I make she lost 2. I don't know how come. But yeah, the vibes there so far. You see what catch you next one? Huh? Let's rock back here. Just hoping to catch a nice redfish here to roast. Anything palm size, roast it. So yeah, them birds them catching more fish than we. We're done here. There's a bird in front of me that's diving and catching. Watch, by bait. Watch, he gone. He gonna make a dive out here. Watch, he gonna make a dive out there. Watch. Bash! Like 3 fish he catch already, yeah? Huh. I feel like my bait gone. I'll check on my bait. What's going on here, people? But like, is any way I go to fish at that ship passing by? What's going on here? Yeah, people, she take switch up on the rod. Using the caster now. It's a lot tight. Huh? They're pulling out that boat there. Shams. Fish on. Pull. Reel. Pull. Good fish. Pull. Yeah, pull. Catfish. That's all it was. Catfish. Catfish, people. Nice size, huh? What? No plans? Hi people, you go down, take out this here. Well, next spot we going to try there. You know, catch a big catfish. Good enough. Gonna try by them little small boat there. so. Yeah, so we're going out again, people. So in the next spot here. Change here. Thank God the water calm. Yeah, right, that's something there so far. So now catch a big catfish. Yeah, people. So it's about time. She catch 2 fish, 3 redfish, 2 redfish, and a catfish. I ain't catch no fish. So yeah. So we going back to the kayak center. We time almost up. And yeah, it's early, so we might go and throw a line somewhere and see if we catch some more fish. At least 1 to roast or 2 to roast. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. Full. Time almost up. We're going back to the kayak center. So we're going to send out back the lure and see if we luck strike on the way back. A little faster, David. So yeah, let's see if we luck strike here. Nice, everything set. There we go. There we go. Put through that bait there. What's that bait out there? See the bait? I got through that bait there. Yeah, go. Right there. We reach back. Nothing on the lure. Right, feel it. Water real nice and clear in the shallows. I don't know how outside they go look, but so far so good. Yeah. So yeah, people. Carry out my wife to kayak for the first time. And yeah, today she birthday, so you know, I'm scared she ought to have a little fun. So we're gonna look for a nice little spot, throw a little line again, because we time up with the kayak. Yeah, time fly. When you're enjoying yourself, time is fly. So yeah. So yeah, people, catch you guys somewhere on that side there, or you know we're gonna do yet. So catch you guys. So yes, people, we are the next spot here. So yeah, we're gonna throw a little fire here. So I'm right there in the corner here. My wife gonna throw a little. She ain't getting enough fishing, so I bring she down right in this little corner here to do a little fishing. Yeah, the water looking alright, it's looking fantastic. So it's looking clean, people. So yeah, she catch a fish, clean and grill one time, one time, doesn't matter, well, palm size. Yeah, so stay tuned for that, guys. She gets an update. Make sure I bring fish now. Hungry now. Me eat nothing for the day now. Yeah, people. Now the vibes is so far. Stay tuned.
Nice bait down there.
Huh?
Watch.
So yeah, people, make up the fire side there. So yeah, we hoping she catch our fish now. So I'm gonna light up that there, guys, and wait till she pull her fish. I said, come out the hook, we're going to clean them up and drop them in one time. So yeah, she going out there. So let me see a cast there. Oh yeah, the bait up and thing. Alright, I'll catch our next cast there. Our next. When you don't organize yourself, I will come people, back. We're gonna light up the fire here. What's going on? So yeah, the trick is, again, small stick that can light fast. Right there. Five sticks. So we get 5 sticks, people. Right there. Right, so we do that now. Easy ingredient. This way need, like, you need to light and fire, and by the beach and stuff you see plenty of this, so using this to light the fire, right? So watch out one. Drop one here. Right. But I light up there, taking some grass, dry leaf and thing, and you keep adding easy. You don't want it to stifle the fire. So you just want one leaf, just like that, simple. One leaf. You know? So you're watching that there. Yeah. So we just want to take this one here now and just kind of eat a small fan. Yeah, and you'll see it start to catch up there. Right. Right, so catching up there, guys. You're gonna take a little bigger ones now, like this. So I'm gonna put it on top of the fire. Right? You don't want to do too much. So yeah. Then you have your big ones. Your big ones like this. That there. You just keep adding. You just keep adding fire easy. So yeah, added it easy. You know? Yeah, people, so if I catch it up there, so all my bigger woods here, bamboo, whatever, making out of coals. So yeah, so that's how to start a fire, to roast fish, to cook your duck, whatever. So that's how it is there. So yeah, people, so we just hope she catch our fish now. As she catch it, we're gonna clean them up, chop it on the grill one time. We bring some seasoning, ketchup, pepper. So yeah, so like pray and hope she doing something for we there. Watch a little setup here, people. Yeah, a little setup here to relax for the day, evening. Nothing on the fish yet, nothing on the road yet. I can see fire blazing up there. So I'm waiting patiently with my knife to clean up some fish. So yeah, alright, by the time she fishing I'm gonna take a walk on that side there and see if I get a little crab or something to roast. So yeah, I'm gonna see if I go and see some crab. If I see crab, I'll go see crab. If I ain't see no crab, no crab. But we hoping for fish. Watch, we got fish on it, we got fish. Red fish on it, I'm gonna clean up that fish in. No! That is it. Bring him here. I'm gonna clean up that fish there, guys. Well, I'm a little fish here. My nice little toy knife here. Execute them already. My nice little scale here. Keep it covered, baby. Keep it covered. Can't go hungry with my wife either. Never. Can't go hungry. I shall keep all them fish. We shall keep them fish when we catch with the kayak. But nevertheless, that time in the kayak run real fast. Run fast, eh? Yeah. I ain't even paying attention. There people, got some. Fresh fish, mate. Kita get fish? Get alright, fish man. Yeah, people. Yeah, a little seasoning salt. This is our all-purpose mixer that my wife mix. So you got this. Dash up some here. That's everything is here. Same thing. Yeah. Fire hit proper. We don't too much of fire. There people like there. Bring a bigger one, eh? This is good enough for me and you. Get a bigger one. You know what people going to say, that little fish. But they follow no shagramas. Follow no shagramas area. I see that they're right there. Looking through. Right. Stay tuned. People. We have a little fish there. I will so hey. I will catch up on my body. So go ahead, baby. Go ahead. You're drinking.
You get more.
Well, I know I
Let's go and catch some fish.
No, you wanna go. Today's your day.
I catch this one.
Let me taste that. That can't get better than roast fish, you know. So good,
I eat fresh.
No, it don't have no fresh taste. Oh, let's try this way. Catch a bigger one this time.
In the wrong spot. I'm going by kayak.
Yeah, but we shall keep them fish by kayak, yeah? But touch. Go. Go. I tell you, we eat it and fish bite then. One time. We come off. Check it out, people. Check it out. We eat it and ting in. Bring fish, fam. Fire blaze them. You did. I see them. I see him biting. Wee! Your game. You there? Có gọi game. You there? Of course. No. He too small.
What is a redfish?
Mm-hmm. Bring the big one now.
Still I hope.
Come, let go here and go back again. Come, show the people here let go in them. Because I really able with the harsh comments. Yeah, it's break my spirit a little bit. But that's the thing. I have supporters still. You pretty, yeah? Show. Leave him. Alright.
What's the fish head? What?
Yeah, tackle fish. Do the same technique I show you. And send out. Right, I gotta eat, right?
Hey, this is so much.
Yeah, people, I gotta eat, right? You fish. I go cook meat. You bring fish. I go cook. Yeah. Nah, the real thing here to light. So yeah, guys, action like that. So we gonna deal with our fish there, and hope she catch our next. And catch a bigger one this time, eh? Right. So yeah, people. What's over there?
Let's stick a candle on this fish boy.
We bring the run closer to me so we can eat and still fish. We know we got a nice jam there, but not necessarily. Watch it. As the camera come on, hold this there for me. Get this fish set it on. Alright guys, right. False alarm. We getting bite, but
Small.
yeah, so stay tuned. We on that side there. We come on this side here, we gonna explore on the side. What were you going? Right, so we go in. Right side right here. We on them little rocks on the outside there. Show by that little small. Huh? Me know we might catch. I don't know. Walk up on them thing there. Come on this side. Don't walk on that side there. Okay. Come on. Give me a knife. There you go. Let's take your time, right? You know the rocks will be a little slippery. Let's take your time. Whoa. Hey people, like we just set up we serve there. This one moving, huh? This rock moving. Right, I'll leave on this right there. Right there. Yeah people, these are vibes here. So stay tuned. Let me see where we go here. We got a short right there. To the edge here. Don't take a chance and walk for it.
Let me see if I can get your fall on camera. What kind of fish is this? I catch it right in the mangrove. Yeah, I threw it right there.
Yeah, people, we now come back on from that side, nothing on that side. She going back out there to see what she get there. Yeah, we bring nothing to eat today. So, a real survival birthday lime here. So yeah, that the vibes there so far, people. I rock back. Yeah. And all our venom strike.
Huh?
All our venom strike, they're eating your bait too.
With the stove.
Fire still smoking and nothing to pon the girl. That fish tastes real best, but me gonna lie, boy. Oh god, that fish was good. Come on, you see a trout that make a cast there. You see your bad cast there. Nak bakar maham, okay? Freezing out, that's the vibes now. Proper weather in there. Hey, I'm vexed I work with my dive guys. The water nice, and I still shoot something to pon the pot. My people, you see she bad cast there. You see she bad cast. Give them fires there. Talk now. What's that? Yeah, it's a nice bait. But I can organize and get a nice little cast net, yes? But a nice bait outside there. I walking out there easy and casting them right there. Alright people, stay tuned. We back the place clean, fire out, place clean. Yeah. So yes people, clean up. Take out the AC place real hot. Yeah, well it's about that time. You wanna go down the road and, you know, for wifey to lime at she family and thing. You know. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for all the supports that I'm getting from you guys. I appreciate it, you know. So yeah, people, I just want to say stay tuned for the next adventure.